Welcome to the checkout guide. Today I will show you how to review your store performance in Shopify. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Let's get started. First go to Sidekick. Then here click how to review your store performance in Shopify. For ecommerce. And click on enter. Now it is processing. So here we can see it give a simple steps. Use the analytics dashboard, view total sale orders, etc. So let's start. First go to your Shopify admin dashboard, then click on analytics. Here you can see all your stored data. So here select the date. Now select the time period. Select last 7 days. Click on apply. This shows your recent performance. Then check basic numbers like total sales, orders, sessions, etc. Here total sales means money you earned. This is the money you earned. The orders, total orders is 3. Here we can see the session over time. It is 70 visitors. We can see here. These are the important. And now check the top product. So here we can see the top product is leather wallet. These are your best selling items. So by this you can understand your store performance. Now more visitor but less sale means improve product or checkout. Also less visitors means do more marketing. So that's it. Check this once every week to improve your store. So this is how you can review your store performance in Shopify. So if you like this video, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.